Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing on my new Jacquemus bag. I know what you're thinking. You're probably saying, well, this is weird because you just made an unboxing with a Jacquemus bag. And I don't know if you remember, but in my video I clearly said it's not worth the money, but chances are I'm probably going to keep it. My little voice in my head was like, I don't know if you should keep it. What I decided to do was to take my basket bag from Morocco and just compare both of them. And I realized that my basket bag from Morocco that was literally like $20 was probably the same quality. And I was like, okay, no, it's really not worth the money. Let me just return it. So I decided not to keep the basket, even though it was so beautiful. I was smart for once. But then, you know me, I love shopping and I kind of love spending my money for absolutely no reason. And I don't know why, but I am obsessed with Jacquemus. I just really wanted something from this designer, this French designer, and I was like, no, I'm still going to find something that I like. And then I saw this bag that I really liked. It's been a while. Every single time I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, this is so gorgeous. But the thing is, it's a tricky bag because it is kind of in your face. It's a bit weird as well. And every single time I was seeing this bag, it was always very big. And you know how Jacquemus sometimes makes like huge bags for some reason. And it's fun for like a picture and all, but it's not practical at all. But then I saw the bag I was actually in love with in a mini version, and that's when I was like, maybe this bag is actually perfect for, like, you know, when you go to the beach or just like a summer outfit. Well, the price was slightly more expensive than the basket bag, but I just felt like it was worth the money. I don't know. Is it really worth the money? I have no idea, but that's fine. I have the box here. We're gonna start and I'm so excited. By the way, the name I think is Le Baci. I'm really not sure, so I'm gonna write it down here. And I bought it from Matches Fashion. You're not surprised. I know I've been spending my money on Matches Fashion for a while now and I am not ashamed. So let's start. Box is here. The box is not really in good condition for some reason. I don't know what happened. It's been like the second time now. Matches Fashion gives me a box full of, I don't know, like war happened. Okay, so you know I open boxes the savage way. So let's just, like I mentioned to you all the time, ignore the next few seconds. Ooh, I'm actually proud of myself. So, as mentioned in all my videos, when I do an unboxing with Matches Fashion, I always take the this box. So not the Eco box, but the other one, the Lux box. I don't know what's the name. It's not in perfect condition though. I'm a bit disappointed, I would say that. Usually the box for Matches Fashion is in perfect condition, but today it's not, and that makes me very angry. Actually, I don't know, it looks weird. It looks like someone used it a bit too much before, and that pissed me off so much. Like, I don't know, but here it's like destroyed. On the side it's destroyed, and I have a thing with, like, you know, when a box is not in perfect condition, I'm probably not going to keep it. I just absolutely hate it. Like, I don't understand. It's actually destroyed like you have no idea. Even here. This is really annoying, by the way. Hopefully the bag is fine. Should I complain about this? I feel like I shouldn't complain about this, but it's like literally falling apart. Okay, well, this is the return label. So that's the one thing, by the way, I never mentioned this, but that's the one thing I love with Matches Fashion. If you don't like it, you can actually return it for free. If you decide to return it, Matches Fashion will actually give you the money back on the item and the duty or taxes you paid for, you know, depending on where you live. So this is always good to know. So you have two return label. One is for the box and the other one you have to give it to the guy from DHL. You have the paper here to tell you how to return everything. I'm literally giving you like a small course 101 on how to return things from Matches Fashion. Thank me later. Okay, let's do this. like the packaging is nothing fancy. The bag is, so the dust bag obviously is the same as, remember in my basket video, it, like I said, you know, it's a dust bag, not necessarily the best dust bag up there. Okay, it's gonna make noise, do not judge. There you go. Okay, so this is the dust bag. I mean, I'm not gonna complain because I still have a dust bag obviously for my bag, and so it's like straw. I don't know the actual material. I don't have my phone on me, and obviously I didn't look at the name, the price, or like the material, so I feel like I didn't do my homework before this video, and I'm really sorry, but I'm gonna write down every single thing in this video. And what the fuck, it's actually very small. I really thought it was bigger than this. I thought like that was the size, but the back size is actually that big. Oh my god, I feel ridiculous now. I feel like I don't understand why I bought this. So you know how I said I'm not going to return it? I'm not sure anymore. Well, okay, whatever. I have the strap here, which I absolutely love. It's in leather, white, with gold details. I love it. So this is the smallest bag on fucking earth. Oh my god, I feel like I need to brush it. It's very tiny, like I expected something a bit bigger. I'm just not gonna lie. I'm just gonna take a moment. I did not expect this. You will literally can't put anything in there. Even my phone, I don't think it's gonna fit. And I need to like brush it. This is really annoying, like I need to do something with this. And this is just... Do you like it? I don't know if you like it. Is it cute? I feel like it's cute, even like with my outfit at the moment. I feel like it's fine. You know what? I think like if it's bigger, it's just gonna look very weird because this is a bit too much. So obviously the bag looks bigger because of this, but the actual bag, you know, where you put everything is... You know, at first I was like, yeah, I'm gonna use the bag, you know, when I go to the beach. But you can't put shit in this. Like, literally, you can't put anything in this thing. Maybe like, I think the phone is gonna fit. Like, this is an iPhone case. Just a very, very fancy iPhone case. This is how I see it. Okay, I'm gonna put the strap now. I spare my money on things sometimes. I don't really understand, but I don't understand. It really looked bigger on the website. Maybe I was just not careful and I was a bit too excited and I just decided to buy it without looking at the actual size of the bag. Like sometimes I do this, you know, I just buy things very quickly for no reason. Okay, this is not fucking working. Okay. You have the Jacquemus logo here. I would like to know what's the material. So it's the basket bag Jacquemus Le Petit Baci. There we go. So I was right. The name is Le Baci, but it's Le Petit because you have a bigger one. I understand why you have a bigger one because this one you can't put anything in it. The color is beige. They also have the pink one, which I don't really like, but maybe you like it. I don't know. Le Petit Baci in pink is, you know, some people might like it. I like this. I mean, it's neutral. It's very simple. It's no, I'm fucking lying. It's not simple at all. It's weird, but you know, I'm just very concerned about this. I feel like this is just gonna break in like a second. But I don't know. Do you like it? I don't have a mirror, so I can't see it. But I feel like it's gonna be cute, especially what I'm wearing at the moment with like my shell earrings and my jewelry with my pearl here. I don't know, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm very into neutral here. Like, I don't know if you see here, but I have a few new things from Zara, and these are all neutral. I have a thing against color lately for some reason. I don't know. There you go. This is the bag. I mean, the handle is very, very good. I've actually liked that we have this. The strap, super cute. The only thing I'm saying is it's probably gonna fit my phone. You know what? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna go bring my phone and we're gonna try this and we'll know. So I have my phone here. I have the iPhone 11, but not the not like the bigger size. So just so you know, let's try this. It doesn't fit. Actually, it doesn't fit. You actually see the top of the phone. So why am I buying this again? I don't even know what you can put in this bag, to be honest. You know what? You can put a car holder. So not a wallet. Just buy yourself a very cute card holder, and that's it. Just put your card, nothing else. Maybe like a lipstick, and that's it. You're done. This is it. That was my unboxing of the weirdest thing ever. Am I going to keep it? I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna go in front of the mirror. I'm gonna see. If you see pictures with it, then you know that I kept it. But that was it. That's my unboxing of this cute, useless bag from Jacquemus that I feel like I love. So, okay, I'm having way too much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, thumbs up. And you can subscribe to my channel if you want more unboxing. I think the next video is actually a Zara haul because I bought so many things from Zara and I just feel like I need to show you everything and I need to try them. So subscribe to my channel if you want to watch my next video. It's going to be up next week. So I also have a blog, www.tempsduncafe.com. I try to post 2 articles a week with 1 YouTube video. You can also follow me on Instagram at Temps D'un Café. I post pictures and useless things on my Insta stories. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you super soon. Goodbye everyone.